Some traditions are easy to describe, others are harder, because they live more in feeling than in words. Opłatek belongs to the second kind. At first glance, it looks almost insignificant. A thin, fragile wafer, no flavor, no richness, something that could easily be overlooked. And yet for many Poles, this small piece of bread carries more emotional weight than any Christmas gift. It has the power to quiet a room, to bring people closer, to make grown adults pause, reflect, and sometimes struggle to find the right words. Today we're talking about Opłatek, where it comes from, why Poles embraced it so deeply, and why it holds such a central place during Vigilia. Welcome to the Poland. And if this kind of storytelling matters to you, take a moment to subscribe, like the video, and share it with someone who understands what Christmas Eve truly feels like. Opłatek is not simply food, and it is not meant to satisfy hunger. It is also not the same as Holy Communion, even though it closely resembles it. Instead, Opłatek exists in a space between the sacred and the everyday. The word itself comes from the Latin oblatum, meaning an offering. That detail matters. Opłatek is not something you take for yourself. It is something you offer to another person. During Vigilia, no one eats their own wafer first. You approach someone else, break off a piece from their Opłatek, and offer wishes in return. This act alone carries a quiet lesson. Humility, respect, and mutual care come before everything else. Before food, before celebration, before abundance. To understand why Opłatek became so deeply rooted in Polish tradition, you have to look at Poland's history and values. For centuries, Polish identity has been shaped by faith, family, and resilience. Life was not always stable. Borders shifted. Independence was lost and regained. Families were separated by war, occupation, and migration. In these conditions, traditions were not just customs, they were anchors. They preserved identity when much else was taken away. Opłatek required no wealth and no power. It could be shared anywhere by anyone. All it asked for was honesty and willingness to face another person with goodwill. That made it accessible, durable, and deeply meaningful. There are stories of Opłatek being shared in places where food itself was scarce. In prisons, labor camps, wartime shelters, and exile, people saved a single wafer, sometimes for weeks, just to break it on Christmas Eve. Why would something so small matter in such conditions? Because Opłatek was never about hunger. It was about dignity. Breaking it said, we are still human. We still recognize each other. We still choose peace. Even here. That meaning did not disappear with time. It followed Polish families across borders and generations, quietly adapting but never losing its core purpose. Vigilia is not like any other evening of the year. It is calmer than Christmas Day, more reflective, almost suspended in time. Opłatek comes at the very beginning for a reason. It sets the tone for everything that follows. People approach one another slowly. Parents, children, grandparents. Sometimes people who argued, sometimes people who have not spoken openly all year. And in that moment, the wafer becomes permission. Permission to offer good wishes, permission to ask for forgiveness, permission to say things that daily life often rushes past. It is not forced, it is not scripted, it is human. In a world defined by speed, noise, and constant distraction, Opłatek asks for something rare. Stillness, eye contact, presence. For a few moments, there are no screens and no interruptions. Just people standing face to face, choosing kindness and reflection. Perhaps that is why the tradition still feels powerful today. It reminds us that the most meaningful connections are not loud or complicated. They are quiet, intentional, and deeply personal. If this tradition resonates with you, if Opłatek brings back memories of home, family, or Vigilia nights, please like this video, subscribe to the Poland, and share it with someone who understands its meaning. And if you feel comfortable, leave a comment below. What does Opłatek mean to you? Opłatek teaches a simple truth, that the strongest traditions do not demand attention. They wait patiently, year after year, for us to slow down and meet one another with sincerity. Thank you for watching. And wherever you are in the world, may your holidays be peaceful, meaningful, and shared.